Well, hello and good morning. Uh, Wednesday, August 21st, 2024. It's about 4:30 in the a.m. for me. Uh, Hope everybody's having a good day and blessings. Thanks for watching. Uh, Up to 144 subscribers, so yay, thank you. Please hit the like, comment. I try to get back to all those. And y'all have a blessed day. I'm actually trying to enjoy the fact that things are a little bit more peaceful for me. Like I was saying yesterday, sometimes getting somebody out of your life's a good thing. Anyway, yeah, it's Friday for me. Get off from here and go and tinker around the house, try to get a few more things done. You know, getting things done around the house, it's kind of like when you plan to go and do trash. You collect your bit here, you collect your bit there, and you bring it all together and you consolidate it down, and then you actually get to carry it out and head to the trash can or to the burn box or whatever it is. So it's always got multiple steps to get everything done. Seems like life is a lot like that on a regular basis. Trying to do things always requires half a dozen other things to get done before you can complete it. Like yesterday, had to put the battery into the charger for the mower. My electric mower battery doesn't last as long as I wish it would. And yeah, fun stuff. But actually, it does pretty good if you actually charge it on a regular basis. I forgot. Kind of like I forgot my teeth today. Yeah. Some days you just, assembly required. Anyway, trying to get going for my weekend and trying to figure out what all I got to do. I was looking at some of that in the planning stages here, trying to figure out what I'm going to do today. And it's like there's nothing that really comes up as, you can complete this today. Yeah. Mowing, well, the battery will be charged and I can get part of it done. Still got the other big part. Because, yeah. So, there's a little there. Get the trash out, yeah. I can get part of that done. And then also, I'm going to end up with some more trash because, well, I did look at my closet and go, I can chunk that stuff. So I'm probably going to try to work on a closet and get that out and throw away what's in there that, I'm not going to need. But then I look at it and, it's like part of it, heavy coats. During the summer, I don't need them, but during the winter, I do. Sometimes. That's the thing about around here. The weather, sometimes it does get cold. Sometimes it doesn't. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to try to move some of my radio equipment around and get the rest of it packed. We'll see. To really get everything done there, I'm going to have to actually climb up on the roof and drop my antenna down, which is going to be fun because I had a windstorm that bent my push pole. So this is going to make it real interesting as to trying to get this thing to come down. And how do I really get it to come down? Literally push it over to the side and let it fall out into the yard and hope it doesn't take off my power wires for the house. Don't need to have Arky Sparkies going, that's for sure. So this requires getting up on the roof and trying to figure out how to get my push pole to work. Yay! I don't know. Anyway, I have several push poles, and getting that down, the one I got up there down, and I need to get the other ones. I guess I need to get in touch with a friend of mine and see if he can bring his truck over and carry these things over to the next club meeting and have them available for somebody to buy. It's not like I'm trying to get a bunch out of them. Hell, you're talking about $150 set of pipe, push pole, whatever you want to call it. And hell, if I got $40 out of one of them, I'd be happy. I got 3 and partial. One of them's got this bend in it, so 2 good ones and 2 partials. Yeah. I don't know. Always seemed to be something more to do, and none of it really wants to let me completely finish. So, yay. I'm trying to plow through and continue. I don't know. I just want to get over there to the Philippines. But I need to take and make sure I take and get things taken care of so that I can make the money from it. So I can have extra money. Because, hey, I don't know very many people that say, oh, I don't want extra money. I always know I want extra money, and if I can figure out how to have more, it's a good thing, but I'm not going to live, die, and run around in circles totally crazy to get that much extra money. I could have had a higher paying job than where I'm at and made more money, but didn't want the stress. I don't know about you, but being an electrician on an airplane pays good, but it's got a lot of stress involved with it. And you probably heard this before, but I don't need stress. Got enough problems, don't need to add stress to it. So yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm actually going to have to get done early today with breakfast because I've got a work crew in here, and the boss wants me to take care of them so that they'll stay. Yeah. So he wants me to try to have breakfast ready for them by 5:30, 5:40. Get it done a little bit early so they can actually come in here and eat breakfast and go, instead of delaying their day to try to hang here and get some. This would give them the option to get over there and be on time over there, but still get breakfast over here. So I get to change my schedule, and yeah, that's why I had to get things done early yesterday, and I'll have to get them done early today. The other girl gets to deal with tomorrow and the day after. And if they're still here for Saturday morning, I'll try to get them took care of then too. We'll see. Anyway, I'm hoping y'all have had a blessed day, and that your work week is going good for you. I am William from Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.